Hi! In today's video we're gonna finish the LED conversion on my BMW R1200GS. Stay tuned! This is my BMW R1200GS, and in the previous video we start the conversion to LED, changing the headlight and the turn signals. Today we're gonna keep that conversion and we're gonna add a new element in LED, the taillight. This is the original one, and we will gonna mount the LED version. In order to remove the taillight, we will need to remove these screws, take them out, lower this section, and disassemble the three nuts that holds the taillight in place. So to do that, we will start with a bit Torx T25 and undo the bolts right here. We will test it here in the connection. This one is where our harness from the taillight goes. So let's just try to undo. Just remove it and check the connections. This connector here is bolted down with the Phillips bolt that we need to remove just in order to release the connector. You can only see this bolt after losing up those three, the first three one, and here it is. Now we can just push it. This and close the connector. So now that we have our assembly out, we can see that we have three wires coming from the harness to the taillights that are connected with this quick connection. So back in the bike, the supplier said that the green is the ground. So I am sure that this connector here represents the ground with the brown wire. So I will directly connect the brown wire with the green, and the other I will try them. Okay, so let's check it. Well, something happened. Okay. At least we know it works. Let me see the brake. No, it's not okay. It switched. You see? When I brake, it lights the license plate light. So we just need to switch these two. Again. Now it's okay. So we have the license plate light, two white LEDs on the bottom, and the presence light, the red. And when I brake, nothing happens. So guys, it will not gonna be today that we get our LED conversion completed, because something is happening and I need to figure out what. If you guys see, when I connect the key, when I turn on the key, the light came on and then immediately light up the brake signal. And I can't understand why. It's not working properly, because then, you see, when I see again, when I turn the key on, it lights fine, and then immediately light up the brake signal. And then when I brake, it barely changes the brightness, because okay, it's already braking. So I will have to figure out what's happening. Hi guys, in the last day we ended our video with a problem that we could not make the presence light to turn on. The bike immediately turns to the brake light. This happens because the LED drains less current than the normal bulb, and the system thinks that we are constantly braking. Now, I've been digging on internet and I found a harness that claims to fix this. It's a simple harness with some resistors here that increase the resistance in the line, and the bike thinks that it's working properly, that we don't have the LED and we have the normal light. So let's plug this to this and to the bike and test it to see if it solves the problem. So the harness came with this diagram. It's really simple. This line connects to the driving light, this to the brake light, and this is the ground. So let's connect it. So I've been messing around with the wires and I didn't remember the code color, and now I test it and I figure out that the total green wire on this harness from the taillight is the ground. Okay, it's properly connected. Then the brown should connect with the red, and the yellow and green with the yellow. And with this configuration, let me just put it here so you guys can see it. Well, it will not hold in here very well. Okay, like this you guys can see. Now, just turn the key and you have the white LED and the presence light. And now when I brake, we have the brake light. I hope you guys can see it. Now it's exactly this that we want. So now I will go remove it again, take the original headlight, the taillight out, and bolt the new one in. Okay, so let's start. So this is gonna be really easy. We just need to take these two nuts, one here and one on this side, and now near to the license plate, the third, and all the old taillight will be removed. Okay, now the three are loose. You just need to take it, the old one. We keep the rubber bushings on place. We'll use the same. And now we just bring the new taillight and bolt it on the same place. Now that we have our tail light bolted, let's put the assembly on the bike. Before reassemble this, I will put some fabric tape on the connections just to protect them. So this is really simple, just need to plug the connector here, bolt it from below with a screw, and then position on place and bolt the 3 screws up, and it is fixed. Well, this red and yellow, maybe I'll put some fabric tape on them also, just for them not to be visible from any side. Okay, now we don't have that bright yellow and red showing on the side. Now that is assembled, let's test it one more time. Presence light, license plate light, everything working. And now brake light. Yes, now it's working properly. So guys, today we'll have an extra. The brake pedal. I bought an extension. So let's mount it. This is really simple. You just have the bracket that goes below, the bolt, and this simple goes here on top of the brake pedal. And now you just need to put the bracket below and bolt them together. And that's it. Just like that, we have now a much bigger surface to hit the brake. Much bigger surface. Really nice. So guys, it will be all for today. I hope you guys like it. You can find links for purchase all this stuff below in the descriptions. So if you like to do this conversion, just hit the links and you can find everything. I hope you guys like it, as always. Please subscribe and activate the notifications if you didn't done it already. So see you on the next time. Bye!